Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys, and today I went to shopping center and I purchased some items guys. It's because they're on sale or I need them. So first is we will do the Primark haul. I have 4 bags here because it's like 4 for 1 week. Yeah, I went to different branches of Primark. So you know, I didn't really have planned to purchase anything, but when I see these prices, I said, okay, let me grab it and for next year. So this one is, it's party. Actually, I purchased 2. This is a party glasses and photo booth props kit, and it's £5, but I only grabbed this for, oh my god, it shows here £3, but actually it should be £1 now. Why it's like that? I will double check my, oh my god, I will double check my receipt, but I'm sure this is just £1, yeah, but hopefully I didn't pay £3. I don't want to buy this if it's £3. And then this one, it's 50 pence, just paper bag I always need because I will be invited in birthdays like that. And I grabbed this stripe lights. I just want to check if it's long or not or something. Just £1. This is £2 supposedly. Actually I can open, yeah, but I think this is, oh, this is battery operated, but it's okay. It's not battery operated, not that good, but yeah, because normally I purchased last time £5 from the range. It's direct to the socket, which is nice. And then the last is this Sumo Squat, and it's just £1 from £5. Yeah, normally I don't buy these items guys if it's not sell, because I don't really need. The next is this, I don't know if I love it or not, because you know today I purchased this yesterday and it's £4, but it's really £7. And today I saw in Home Bargains a bit better, more nicer in Home Bargains for £4. So I don't know, I think I cannot return it. It's nice, but I don't know, I feel like I regret buying this. But yeah, I like this because it's not so heavy, so it's easier to hang. £4. And this Christmas jumper set, this is only £3, but it's actually £5. Yes, it's because I purchased another like this. Later on you will see why I purchased this. And then another jumper because it's Spider-Man, and I like Spider-Man a lot, and my son also. This one is 6 to 7 years old. It should be £6, but original price is 11, but it's really on sale also, together with the Ninja Turtle jumper like that, and it's thick. Yeah, so grab yours guys. And next bag, it's just really few items, just mostly ones. Yeah, this one. Okay, this is my other receipt. So this one is £5. Look at that. Oh my god, cannot see. £5. This is £9 actually, but it's just jumper, so it's matching for next Christmas, because normally I don't like jumper, but I think this time I should try, you know. So yeah, so nice. And that's it. This is my son's gloves. And okay, this one, my son grabbed this. Oh, this is in B&M. Oh, okay. I think, yeah, I forgot. I went also to B&M the other day. And this one is sale. I think it's 1 pound from 2 pound. Yeah, I forgot I went to B&M. And the next that I purchased in B&M is this, because this is 4 pound. So original price is 8 pound. Soothing sound machine. Hopefully it's nice. Let me try it. And later on, guys, you will see what I have here. It's a bin. Because you know, the bin that we have here, it's like inside the cupboard, and it's so hard to put the rubbish, or it's like so small. So I need bigger, so I purchased a bigger one for 4 pounds. Oh. Yeah, I hope this is nice. I will try it later. And then jumper. I grabbed this jumper, guys. I really doesn't wear jumper, but just it's a look at how much is this. 4 pound from 8 pound. But yesterday I saw this in the shop. They are selling it, but it's 6 pound still in other branch. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the range, because I went to the range today also. So this one with my son's name, Alex, and then there's a light to it. You can see. I think you cannot see in the camera, but there's light. So it's 5 pound, and I purchased it for 3 pound or 250. Yeah, my son would love. Oh, you can see here. You can see there's a light. My son would love this. And the reason why I went to the range, even I supposedly doesn't want to go out, is because of this chandelier. The one that I have here is the same. Yeah. Okay, you can see actually. Yeah, that one is from the range, and I will not open because it's hard to anyway show you. So it's just like that. This is 20 pound, and I purchased it 15 pound even before, like 1 year ago. It's just because I'm looking for my son's room and in the corridor. So 2 of this. Normally I saw in the now it's more expensive. So okay guys, that's it. Oh, that's it. This is the items in oh my god, wait. Okay, this is the item in, let me show you like that, in Home Bargains. So supposedly I wanted to go to the Nelm because they have the bin there. I don't know how to open now because it's a little bit hard. Look at this bin. It's cheaper, guys. Okay, let me put the camera. It's cheaper because in Dunelm, the one that I'm watching is like 70 pound, and this one is just 40 pound. So it's like 40 liters, 20 pound, 20 liters each, and it's like this. It's pedal, because you know what, I always have like, I tried before sensor, and the problem with sensor is like you need to put your hand there to open it, and I don't like it. So this one, at least you just put your feet. Yeah, and it's separate recycle and for the waste. So maybe I don't need to open. I'll try to open it if I can open. It's a bit hard, didn't realize. And I saw this small glass, because in B&M I have food container, and it's really nice. I like it. It's just that right now they don't have that, and we are using glass here, not plastic food container. That's why I grabbed this, because I just want to try it first, and then if I like it, I'll buy more. Because the one that I have in B&M is still nice, but a little bigger, so I like small. And this mattress protector, king size, this is only 13 pound. So normally it's 15 pound or something like that. So yeah, I'm happy with this purchase, 13 pound. And this is the first time I saw this. I will use it in the kitchen, because you know what I have right now, like onions, potato, and I need some storage here. It's only £2. Yeah, so nice. So yeah, that's it guys. Everything. Look at my place now. It's so messy. So I will clean now here guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you didn't subscribe yet to my channel, please do subscribe and click the like button down below. Bye.